What is up guys, Dan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop emails from going into spam on Yahoo. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Yahoo. After that, you will be redirected to this dashboard of yahoo.com. But if you are new to Yahoo, you have to sign in with your email and password, but if you want to create a new Yahoo account, you can create that too. Or if you already have a Yahoo account, you will be directly welcomed to the dashboard of yahoo.com. Now, from here on the top, you have to search for help.yahoo.com. After searching this help.yahoo.com, you will be redirected to the help page of Yahoo. And then here in the search bar, type in spam emails. As you can see guys, you have to type spam emails and then click for search help, and then after clicking, move to the second page, and then from there you will see the option of manage spam and mailing list in new Yahoo Mail. Click on that, and after that scroll a bit down, and then you will see that if you want an email to mark as a spam, you just go to your mail, select the email, and then click on mark as spam. But if you don't want that email to mark as spam, you just click on the more options icon. You will see it on while selecting the email. And after that, select the spam one, then select the email, and then click on not spam to move the message into your inbox. Under the spam section, click on not spam. So then it will move that mail to your inbox, and the future messages from that sender will not move to spam and they will directly move to your inbox. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.